How to add express shipping on Temu. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add express shipping on Temu. First, open the Temu website and log in to your account. You'll be able to see the homepage of the Temu account. You can check and see different products. To order any product, first select the product. I've selected a shirt and you can see the details of the shirt. Click on Add to Cart and select your size. Now go to Cart and click on Express Checkout with PayPal. Add your email address or phone number in the given bar. Now you're done to add express shipping on Temu. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.